Hi students, welcome back. Let's continue with the variable declarations in the Python language. In the previous video, I just explained how to declare the variables in the Python and what are the elements that we can use as a variables. Now let's have look on some more examples. In this session, I want to explain you how to assign values to multiple variables. So let's see. Actually, the Python allows you to assign value to multiple variables in one line. In a single line, you can assign the values. So how? Let's see here. I'm taking three variables x, y, z. So here in a single line, I'm going to assign the multiple values, okay, to the multiple variables. X, y, z is a multiple variables. I'm assigning the values to these variables in a single line. Apple, comma, orange, comma, and banana. Okay, so here I had taken three variables x, y, z and I assigned the values to those variables. Now let me print these values. Print x, print y, print z. Now let's see what will be the output. Apple, orange, banana. So this is one of the fetching in the Python language. You can assign values to multiple variables in single line. Okay, you can also assign the same value to multiple variables in single line also. That see how it is possible. X is equal to y is equal to z. Okay, I am assigning a single value to these multiple variables. Python. Okay, so here the Python is in variable. I have taken three variables x, y, z, and for these three variables I have assigned only one value, the same value in a single line. Now let's print x, print y, print z. Let's see the output. So with the help of this syntax, you can assign a single value to the multiple variables in a single line. This is one of the use of this Python language. And whatever the print statement here you have taken, the print statement is often used to output variables. So now let's see some more examples in this variables concept. Suppose if you want to combine both the text and a variable in the Python. So is it possible? Can I assign both the text and variable? Sorry, the text and a variable in the Python? Yes, by using one character, that is a plus character. Let me take x is equal to, I'm just taking a good girl. Let's take x is equal to good girl. Now I want to print, I'm taking a text. Okay, here my variable is x is my variable. I want to combine the text and a variable. Let me take some text like, let me take my name, Bhanu is, okay. So here I have taken a text. The text is added. Whenever you want to combine the text and the variable, you can use the plus character. So Bhanu is a good girl has to be print. So just call the variable x. So x is my variable and whatever the x here is a variable and Bhanu is a text. So the text and the variable you can combine in the Python language by using the plus character. Let's print. So Bhanu is good girl. So Bhanu is a text I have entered here and x is my variable. In that variable the good girl is a data that is stored in the x variable. So you can combine the text and the variable by using the plus character. And one more thing, you can also use the plus character to a variable to another variable. So let me take x is equal to education for you. And y is equal to, I'm taking gives you knowledge. So these are the two variables. I'm assigning some strings to the x variable and the y variable, and these two variables I want to be concatenate. X plus y is equal to z. Now let me take print z. Let's see what will be the output. So x is a variable which contains some information, and y is a variable which contains another information. I'm just adding those two variables, and the result will be stored in another variable. So whenever you call that variable print z, the education for you gives you knowledge. Okay, so this is how you can work on the variables. So just practice, try to do give the different information and try to see how the output, what are the outputs you are getting. And let me tell you some more things. Suppose for number the plus character works as a mathematical operator. Let me take x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 30. Okay, suppose if you just take print x plus y, what you will get? So here the plus, what it takes, it works as a mathematical operator. So it adds x and y values, and that value will be printed. So see here, x is a 20 and y is a 30, so that value will be printed. So whereas here when you are using the characters, okay, or the strings if you are using, it is going to be concatenate. And whereas if you are using the integer values, then the plus operator will be working as a mathematical operator. Suppose if you want to try to combine a string and a number, is it possible? No, you can't combine a string as well as the number in the Python. So Python will give an error. Let's see what the error you'll get. Suppose let me take x is equal to 10. And let me take y as a Bhanu, and I want to print x plus y. Let's see what will be the output is. So you'll get the error. Obviously you'll get the error. So what type of error you got? You get the unsupported operand type plus, because one variable as an integer, another variable is a string. So here it is an unsupported operand type. Then you'll get it out, ma'am. Is it possible that I can combine the integer as well as the string? Yes, you can combine. So how I can combine? Now let me change this statement. So here in the print I am taking str of x. Means I am assigning x value as a string, not the integer. So if you take like this, print string of x should be combined with the y, means you will get the output as 10 Bhanu, I think so. Let's see. So see here, 10 Bhanu. So in this way you can combine the integers as well as the string. So if you didn't mention the string, then here the Python will take it is an error, because the string and the integer cannot be combined. But if you assign the integer value as a string, then you can combine the x and y variables. So this is about this some of the variables concept. So in the next video I'll explain some more like examples on the local and the global variables, how to declare the local variables and how you can use the global variables. Thank you.